Hi, my name is Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an interesting topic. It is all about service processing. I get a lot of clients who come in after they've been served and they've tried to avoid getting service process. Today we have a guest. His name is David Adams and he's going to be answering some frequently asked questions about service processing, and we have a brief demo for you about what service process is and what it's not. Obviously, professional process servers do not beat on your door, they don't intimidate you, they don't hide in your backyard, and they certainly don't jump fences. So let's take a look at what process serving by a professional process server does look like. Hi, can I help you?
Yeah, Ms. Johnson, I'm a private process server with the local court. I have some documents I'm dropping off to you.
Oh, okay, what's it regarding?
I really don't know, ma'am. I'm just delivering paperwork. I know it's something that's been filed in the court with your name on it. It's just something you need some information around.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Hi, Ms. Johnson.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. I'm a document server with the local court. I have some paperwork for you.
Oh, okay. Do you have any ID?
Yes, ma'am. I do right here.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's this all about? So as you can see, private process serving does not have to be scary. You don't have anything to be afraid of. And by trying to avoid service process, all you're going to do is run up the cost for your divorce and potentially put yourself at risk for having the other side file a motion for some extra fees based on your behavior. Okay, we are here today with a local private process server. His name is David Adams. What would you like people to know about process servers?
We're not scary. We're not police. We're not there to arrest people. We're not there to, we're not going to chase you down. We're not going to scream at you. We're just polite, very normal people. We're essentially a document delivery service. That's it. We don't represent parties. We don't represent the police. We're here to drop off paperwork to you, nothing else.
Can you answer questions about the contents of the legal documents?
Not at all, because I'm not an attorney. I'm not an attorney. I don't give legal advice. I don't even give legal information. Somebody can ask me, what court is this for? And that's something I could read off the top of the document, but I don't even read the documents themselves other than to make sure I know the name of the person I'm bringing it to and the address I'm supposed to deliver it.
Do you ever ask people to sign for the documents that you deliver?
I do. It depends on the jurisdiction you're in. Some courts make you sign and some courts don't. If you don't sign, it doesn't mean that you didn't get the paperwork, because I'm still acting in kind of an official capacity, so I'm still going to aver to the court that you did accept the paperwork or this paperwork was delivered to you. The signature just, it eliminates a half a step.
How much does it cost to have a private process server serve your divorce papers?
It depends on where you are. It depends, are you in a hurry? Is it somebody who for some reason likes to run all the time and I actually have to go physically chase them down and kind of hunt them down? That can raise the cost of it, but it's usually pretty inexpensive. It would range anywhere from about $40 to probably $70, $75.
And is there an option to have your paperwork delivered by the sheriff's department?
In a lot of places, yes. And usually that price is somewhere comparable to what a private process server would charge. The differences would be just kind of in what they're willing to do. In some places, the sheriff's department will only serve during certain hours of the day, and they may only try 1 to 3 attempts, whereas a private server, depending on who you contract with, may tell you that they're willing to try as many times as necessary in order to get it done.
So let's talk about how fast you can serve documents.
Most of the time, my servers are completed within 24 to 48 hours. And that's pretty average for a lot of people, is 24 to 48 hours. Depending on the circumstances, it could take longer. The difference between me and, again, the sheriff's department, a private process server is going to be much faster because we don't deal with any kind of bureaucracy, really. We're private contractors. You bring it to us, and then we plan it into our day, and depending on the timeline that we give you. Sheriff's department could take you 1, 2, 3, even 4 weeks sometimes to get the serve completed, if it's completed at all.
So are the only people that hire you attorneys, or can private people who are going through the divorce process that need a service processor, can they contact you?
Of course. I do private serves all the time. And we don't just serve legal documents. Sometimes you can contract a service processor to deliver a letter. I do work for insurance companies that can't get a hold of their own clients that will send it to me and say, hey, please just take this letter to this person's house. And again, it's not a legal threat. It's just a letter saying, hey, would you please give us a call? We're trying to get a hold of you. So yeah, we do private serves all the time.
And how do people get in touch with you?
So the best way to find my contact information would be to go to www.legaltn.com, and you'll find just kind of the services that are offered there as well as my contact info.
Thank you so much today for being our guest and giving us lots of helpful information about process serving in Tennessee.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you can be notified when we make more videos like this.